Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I made this bat house to go in my backyard to help control the mosquito population. I'm using a 1x8 cedar board to make this entire bat house. My first cut's going to be at 24 inches, and that's going to serve as the back of my bat house. Then I went ahead and made another cut at 24 inches again. And I'm going to take this second piece onto my table saw and rip it in half. These are going to serve as my two side walls for my bat house. Then I put a little 60-degree angle cut on one side so that way my roof can be slanted down to help with the rain. The next thing I want to do is take my original back piece that I cut at 24 inches and take it to my table saw. I'm going to lower the blade significantly and then start to cut some grooves into this board. I'm going to repeat this process for the entire length of this back piece. You're going to see that I try to keep my cuts somewhat equal distance apart from one another, but it's not going to be perfect, and I'm not spending time to measure the cuts out because I honestly don't care if they're perfectly spaced out or not. All I'm doing is building almost like a ladder for these bats to get into the bat house and be able to climb up into the covered part of the bat house. After cutting those grooves, I clamp my side pieces onto the back portion and nail them into place. I cut some more pieces to length off my cedar board, and I'm going to add face pieces to this house now to close it in. I keep careful attention to where my roof will be sitting to make sure that I do not run into any problems with that. And you'll see me intentionally space these pieces out. I did a little research on bat houses before building this, and I know that you want some airflow in there. So you'll see me space these three pieces out intentionally and nail them in to place. The last piece I'm going to add is a little oversized, and that is on purpose, and that is going to serve as my roof that I will also nail into place. And here's a picture of the entire thing when it's all nailed together. Finishing touches are just a little decal to the front of the bat house just to make it look cool. There's no real purpose to this. It doesn't attract bats. It doesn't ward off other animals from climbing into the bat house. It just looks cool. It's pretty windy outside right now, so I'm going to wait a little while and then find a good tree or a good pole to hang this on outside in my backwoods. I did a little research, like I said earlier, and one bat, what I read, can eat up to 1,000 mosquitoes a day. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but I know it's a heck of a lot cheaper than paying any bug control company to eliminate those mosquitoes from your backyard. Hope everybody liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, I appreciate you hitting that like button and subscribing to my channels for more fun videos like this on woodworking and things around the house.